Well, I am doing some after Christmas shopping. Just wanted to get out of the house and see what's out there. Hopefully there are going to be a few things that I can use in my planner, that I can use in the house, maybe even now because I am doing somewhat of a wintry scene. I'm not quite ready to go spring just yet, but I'm looking forward to just kind of playing around and seeing what good things that I can find. So join me. Well, you know, when you head out and you start looking around and your mind is revving, I came home with a new project. I decided that at my bay window I wanted something different. And I couldn't decide if I wanted to go solid white, if I wanted to pick up a little bit of aqua. And but I did want to take down the old look that I have here. Now you can see I've already pulled the curtain pretty much down from this window, and I have taken it down completely at that window. Now what I plan to do, I think, is to make tie backs for the two smaller windows. And I'll tell you what really got me going. I love this pattern that you see on the table right here. This is from the Pioneer Woman. I love the color mixture. And I actually found a fabric in the store that I'm thinking I may use to cover my chairs, because right now you can see they're just a tan. Now what this may lead to is that not only will I end up changing those, but I may actually end up changing the rug that's underneath. That is not in the plan as of this moment. He may have to just stay. But you can see I still have my little wintry mix, and not Christmas, just winter. And I have a few things that I'm going to be adding into it to pull all of this together. So I'm working through this project. I'm not quite sure what the end result is going to look like, but I'm going to take you on the journey. So just lay back and see what I do. Well, I went from old to new. I put a shot in there of the old look of the windows, and I'm moving up on the table so that you can see. I wanted a very wintry look. I was hoping it would show up just a little brighter. I don't know how well you can see, but you'll see that I went with a silver because I did want an icy feel. I stayed with the blues and the whites, and the neat thing about the white is that it has the features in it. They're the same blue as the curtain. And so I think I'm going to be able to take this look. First of all, I need to get the big guy to raise my curtain rods and to a higher level so they go all the way up to the top. And once that's done, I'll be happy with that. But I do have a couple more things that I'm going to add to this look. My storage cabinet that I have here needs a new pad here, so I will change that. It'll be something that will blend with the look of the window. But I'm trying to go from winter to spring, and I certainly think these colors are going to be able to do that very easily. So I'm very happy with how far I've gotten up to this point, and can't wait to see how it turns out once I'm totally finished. So, happy winter.